there you go! Eto na sila! We are seeing the Diesel, Ralph Ramento, Mitch Rivera, The Hunter, El Cid Maningo. Nako, eto yung mga baby lion. Nakikita natin, Mitch Rivera. Number 21. Nako, we should watch out for this, guys. First, Stephen Palmares. We have the Diesel as our first champion. Last year, we have Bornok Mangosong. Will he able to defend the championship? There you go! Binitiwan na po! Is that El Cid Maningo? Kawasaki, that's Ralph Ramento. Oh my goodness! No! That's Terence Tapat on the lead! Ako, nawawala na ako ng boses. Kakaumpisa pa lang. Mangosong, second place. Mitch Rivera, third place. Maningo, fourth. Nako, ang ganda ng pacing. Walang contact. Malinis po ito. Terence Tapat, The Hunter, nangunguna. Nako, kailangan ko rin magtipid ng boses dito. Mangosong, second place. Riding on a YC 450. Green bike, that's Terence Tapat. Leader pa rin. First lap pa rin po. Eto na. Terence Tapat still on the lead. Bakbakan along with Bornok Mangosong. Mitch Rivera nasa likod. Nasa likod lang. Bawal mag-relax. Naku, ang gaganda. We are able to see a masterclass. Breaking, tapping that big jumps. Eto na. El Cid Maningo mukhang umaatake. Pero leader pa rin. That's Terence Tapat and Bornok Mangosong on the roller section. 1, 2, 3, 4 riders battling it out. Naku, ganda ng mga linya. Thank you very much, Shane Cruz, our drone master for that. Terence Tapat pa rin. Ako. Remember guys, Pro 1 po natin ito. Professional po natin ito. 15 laps po ito. Relax lang po tayo. Pero nakikita natin may battle na agad. We are seeing the Diesel blocking Black Pass, Rai by it early on. Nako, Terence Tapat. Oh, yung atake! Nag-inner Mangosong. Really? Hindi ako makapaniwala. Umi-inner si Mangosong. Now, ay, sabi na nga ba, with that outer of Mitch Rivera, he was able to take advantage the momentum against Mangosong. Nakuha niya. Second place na po, Mitch Rivera. Ito yung sinasabi ko, taking that berm will be always an advantage. Getting that momentum, still on the lead. Naku, hindi pumayag. Mangosong, lumaban on the roller section. I think ito yung strength ni Mangosong. Very scientific, taking that roller sections. Last year nakita natin to. Roller section is one of the master lane ni Bornok Mangosong. Bornok Mangosong now was able to regain the second position. Napat pa rin, enjoying the lead. Now, Mitch Rivera will settle on third. Pero definitely we'll be able to see some battles. Kasi, copy sir. Alright. We will now be having shots coming from the outside, or the backpack. So sa ngayon, nakikita nyo, Terence Tapat on the leader, followed by Bornok Mangosong. Oy, eto naman, umatake uli. Maningo over the Hunter, Mitch Rivera. Ganda ng kuha dito by our drone master. 1, 2, 3, 4 riders. Naha-highlight po. Eto na, uy! Mangosong cross path on that roller section. Minsan lang ito makita. Maningo playing it safe, nag-aantay lang ng malito sa tatlong nangungunang rider. Maningo now is on the fourth run. Fourth place, Maningo. Nako, itong batang to, marami pang hangin to. Watch out for this kid. El Cid Maningo sitting on fourth position. Now, we are able to see Terence Tapat! Naku, bawal mag-relax. Naku, nawawala na naman ang boss natin. Mangosong, inaatake. Hinahunting ng leon ang The Hunter. Ang The Warrior. The Hunter is on the 3rd place and the Baby Lion 4th. That's Elcid Maningo. Nag-inner uli! Honestly, nagtataka ako dito. I think Bornok Mangusong is enjoying this inner lane. Nakuha niya! Kakaibang diskarte. Anong meron dun sa inner lane na yon? Meron tayong hindi alam na alam ni Bornok. May bago tayong leader. Hanep. Book. Textbook maneuver by Bornok Mangusong. Hindi papayag si Terence Napat dito. Thank you very much for that drone shots. Eto, nakikita po natin, ayaw pumayag ni Terence Napat. Split seconds ang lamang ni Bornok Mangusong. As you can see, nasa likod lang, nag-aantay ng pagkakataon. Magkamali yung dalawa, is the Hunter. Here we go, Elcid Maningo trying to attack! There you go, Bornok Mangusong! Sabi sa inyo, bawal mag-relax. Nakikita natin dito, Terence Napat, solid line. Eto na naman! Ay, ang ganda ng duelo nito. Hindi naubusan ng hangin. Sino nagsabing magre-retire na si Bornok? Right now, nakuha ulit siya ni Terence Napat. It only goes to show, lamang talaga yung young bloods dito. Terence Napat is way younger than Bornok Mangusong. We are able to see now, may bago tayong 3rd. Let's see, nasa na si Mitch Rivera? Alright, hanapin natin. Terence Napat, eto ang 1st. Bornok Mangusong, eto yung 2nd natin. Mitch Rivera, eto yung 3rd natin. Inaantay ko ang atake ni Elcid Maningo. On the screen, that's the diesel Ralph Ramento. Meron pa siyang kadelo. Elcid Maningo, that's the blue jersey. Battle ulit! Duelo ulit! Napat, Bornok. Ay! That's Mitch Rivera! Ang ganda ng pinapakitang patience ni Mitch Rivera. Honestly guys, Mitch Rivera, tinawag na the Hunter to. Kasi sobrang ano na ito, aggressive. As you can see now, the Hunter, the Warrior, and the Lion battling the 1st, 2nd, 3rd. The Baby Lion, nakaantay lang. 4th position, Maningo from Davao. There you go. Here's the 1, 2, 3 position. Napat, Bornok Mangusong, inatake sa outside ni Rivera. Kakaibang atake! There you go. 2nd position, Mitch Rivera. Dito talaga ako nagtataka. Bakit kinukuha ni Bornok Mangusong ang inner lane? Na he could have taken advantage of that momentum on the outside lane. Again, these are pro riders. We don't know much. We are just simply commenting. Pero nakikita natin dito, different strategy. We will be able to see more of that dito sa duelong na tatlo. Nangunguna, Terence Napat, Mitch Rivera, Bornok Mangusong. Nasa likod lang, nag-aantay ng pagkakataon, Elcid Maningo on 4th position. Eto na, umatake ulit. Bornok Mangusong. Terence Napat still enjoying the lead. Remember guys, 15 laps po ito. Wala pa ako nakikita ng winawagayway ang white flag. Meaning to say, we have more laps to go. More actions. Maraming hangin to. Yung mga first 1, 2, 3, 4 riders natin, ito yung mga nilalaban natin sa mga international races natin. We have Napat, we have Mitch Rivera, we have Bornok Mangusong. Ito yung mga riders na dapat tinitingnan talaga natin! Nako! Napat nagkamali! Nagkamali si Napat! It only goes to show, even with those lead, na pressure siya ni Mitch Rivera at ni Bornok Mangusong. Again, 15-minute laps po ito. Hindi ibig sabihin nangunguna ka, pwede ka mag-relax. In fact, mas na-pressure ka to keep those lead until the end of the race. And right now, yung pasensya ng The Hunter, Mitch Rivera, paid off. Always taking the outer lane, mas komportable, was able to efficiently save some energy for the last couple of laps. Eto, battle nila along with Bornok Mangosong. Hindi mo pwedeng lamangan to in terms of gulang. Hindi na to pwede turuan. Eto na yung mga malalakas natin. As you can see, inner lane, Bornok Mangosong, different lane from Mitch Rivera. I think Mitch Rivera is still having a good momentum because of that lane. Pero pagdating sa roller section, nakikita natin, nakaka-avanse si Bornok Mangosong. There are some section na lumalamang si Bornok Mangosong sa speed. Eto na! Lumabas na si Bornok! Eto na sinasabi ko, inaantay lang talaga ang pagkakataon. Pa-relax lang. Lumabas na. Nag-outer lane na, Bornok Mangosong, trying to snatch that lead from Mitch Rivera. Eto na! Ang lupit ng suspense. Ang galing ng suspense natin ni Bornok. Nakikita nape-pressure na Mitch Rivera. May nakikita subtle mistake from Mitch Rivera. Eto na, nag-outside run na si Bornok Mangosong. Wow, medyo kabos yun. That loses some seconds. Pero ito, strength ni Bornok to. Roller section, nasa taas. Lumalapit kay Mitch Rivera. As you can see guys, that's around split second. 1 second lamang ni Mitch Rivera. Di pwedeng mag-relax. Eto na, umatake na! Ball to bar! Inner lane black pass! Hindi pumayag. Naku nga. Ito talagang Ito talagang mauubos yung boss ko. Umaatake na Bornok Mangosong coming from the inside. Nakikita ko yung pattern. Bornok Mangosong trying to set up a black pass for Mitch Rivera. My goodness, Mitch Rivera medyo dapat siyang mag-ano dito. Dapat niyang antayin yung black pass nito. Let's see. I'm pretty sure sobrang mature neto ni Mitch Rivera. Magde-depensa to sa black pass coming from Bornok Mangosong. Right now, same linya na. Oh my God! Textbook racing! Eto na, parehong mabibilis. Roller section, hinabol ng drone. Ang ganda ng drone shot dito. Thank you very much, Shane Cruz, for giving us the drone shot. Eto na. Kakababa lang nila, Mitch Rivera. Inaatake pa rin. Eto na, umaangat na sa taas. Si Bornok Mangosong trying to regain momentum. Pero si Mitch Rivera, lumalayo na. May makikita pa ba tayong surprises dito? In fairness, what a solid run for Mitch Rivera. What a solid run. Eto lang talaga inaantay ko dito. Magkamali si Mitch Rivera, it will be an end. It will be an end of him for this moto. Few laps remaining. Matumba ka dito. If you will be able to regain and race again, I'm pretty sure you will lose. Ay! Eto na! Ano yun? Ano yun? Nagkamali tayo. Ang akala natin, Bornok Mangosong will set up an overtake sa Black Pass. Sa ere kinuha! Oh my goodness! Eto na, dumidepensa na. Pag dumidepensa na to si Bornok Mangosong, I'm pretty sure Mitch Rivera, ay, kontak uli! Salamat sa drone shot, nakikita natin yung mga subtle mistake and at the same time, atake ng dalawa. Wow! Ang ganda ng sportsman na pinakita ni Mitch Rivera dito. He could have black pass the Lion. He could have black pass the Lion. Pero mas pinili ang much safer lane. Ganda! Ang ganda ng pinapakita. Bornok Mangusong now on the lead. Followed by Miss Rivera. Umatake uli! Wow! Nag-paid off yung sportsmanship ni Mix Rivera. Eto na, on the roller section. Mix Rivera. Nakuha ang puting bandila. Nawawala ng boses natin. Andyan na, puting bandila. Eto na, ibig sabihin yan, last lap na po tayo. Last lap na po tayo. Ang huling atake nyo, dito nyo na ipapakita. Currently on the lead, Mitch Rivera. Honestly guys, ang lamang ni Mitch Rivera sa linyang to, malaki yan. Last lap, malaki yan. Error lang ang makakakuha ng position ni Mitch Rivera. And right now, let's see the surprise coming from the Lion. Hindi pwedeng tawaging the Lion yan. Ayun na, checkered flag by Mitch Rivera. The Lion took the second position. Wow! Maningo, third position. Ang ganda ng pinapakita. The Diesel will take the fourth. Ganda. 21, I think that's Makong Dimat. No, Butchokoy Planas. Butchokoy Planas. Thank you, bro. Butchokoy Planas, one of our young guns. And pinapakita niya, he was able to get the top 5 position. Wow! Ako itong mga riders na to, uuubusin yung boses natin.